Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Abdul here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the best recurring affiliate programs in the industry and why you need this program in order to crush it with affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond. Stick around to the end of the video guys, because I really got a cool stuff to give to you for 100% free. But in the meantime, let's jump in. Right guys, number one on my list today is ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now ClickFunnels is a funnel builder tool, and the best part with this ClickFunnels affiliate program is you can earn up to 40% recurring commission, considering that their lowest plan is $97. So you're almost crossing 40 bucks every month for every single person that you bring to this platform. And another reason I really like the ClickFunnels affiliate program is that they have multiple different other products that you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, now once you're accepted in the program, you can promote the platform, but you can also promote many other products like the Traffic Secrets book. Okay, you can also promote the One Funnel Away challenge. You can also promote the .com secrets. You can promote the Expert Secret book and 30-day summit. So all these are multiple different products that you can promote with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now the reason I really like the ClickFunnels recurring affiliate program is that people tend to stick around. It has a very high stick rate. That means people you bring to this platform are likely to continue to use this service because they are building their entire business on this platform. Okay, so recurring affiliate program number 2 is called Builderall. Builderall is similar to ClickFunnels. It's also a funnel builder where you can create pages. It's integrated. It has shopping carts integrated, membership, automated webinars, and so many things. And people who took this product actually built their online business on this platform. So it also has a very high stick rate. People tend to convert really well with this platform. Okay, and there are so many things that you can do with the Builderall platform even as an affiliate. Okay, so the tools are really awesome, and in a sec I'm gonna be showing you how you can calculate how much you can potentially make with the Builderall affiliate program. In order to be an affiliate, as of the time of recording this video, you need to join their funnel club plan, which charge you 200 bucks for the first month and $69.90 recurring payment. So what I really like about Builderall also is they have what we call a 2-tier affiliate system. And what that means is if you take people to this platform and they decide to become affiliates themselves, it means you're also going to earn commission from them. So as you can see, direct sales affiliates earn 100% commission on their first client's first payment and 30% recurring payment. So that actually means when you bring somebody on to Builderall, the first payment that they make, you earn 100% of that payment. So if they pay $69.90, you're gonna make $69.90, 100%, and then you are gonna be paid 30% commission on their recurring payment. Now the second tier here, as you can see, it says second tier sales affiliates earn 30% commission on clients recurring payments on a second tier level, on that is affiliates, under affiliates brought by you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the Builderall earning calculator to see how much we can potentially make in a period of a year as an affiliate. Now the first question here says how many sales can you make in a year. Now let's say for example we can make 50 sales in a year. Okay, so the next question is how many affiliates can you bring in a year. So let's say for example out of these sales 30 of them decide to be affiliates for Builderall. So how many sales can each affiliate make in a year? Let's say for example every affiliate can make roughly 10 sales in a year. So that means you have $7,339.50 every single month. Okay, so this is really cool. It's all because of the power of the 2-tier affiliate system that allows you to build this type of recurring commission. Recurring affiliate program number 3 is called SEMrush. They have an affiliate program called BRush, and SEMrush is an SEO tool, and what it does, it allows you to find low competition keywords. It allows you to spy your competition. It helps you with building backlinks, and it helps you with so many things if you are a content marketer. And people who actually use these tools are affiliates, bloggers, web builders, and so many other type of online businesses actually benefit from the bureau, even people who run PPC ads. And to join this program is only 3 steps. You need to join, advertise, and then you take your money as your commissions. Now they have 40 plus tools to help you. They have promotional materials and they have a dedicated team to help you with your affiliate business. So people who actually you'll be targeting for this product is content writers, paid search enthusiasts, agencies, data integrators, speakers, and all around marketing geniuses. So there is a lot of group of people. There are a lot of group of people that you can target with the SEMrush affiliate program. So you can here, as you can see here, you can earn up to $200 for every sale that you make, $10 for every new trial, and $0.01 for every new registration. Okay, so the next recurring affiliate program that we're going to be looking at is called GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is my favorite email service provider. What they do is they help you with your automated email marketing to help you build your business and automate like the follow-ups that you do through email. Now, GetResponse has really cool, awesome features, but again, in the affiliate aspect of GetResponse, they also have a very cool affiliate program. And that means you as an affiliate, you can earn a lot. So people actually use the GetResponse email service provider, affiliates, freelancers, bloggers, review site, content creators, and network consultants, small agencies, and online marketing experts. They all benefit from this tool. Now, what I like about the GetResponse is they have what we call the affiliate bounty program, where they pay you $100 for every paying customer. Or you can choose the 30% recurring commission. So with this one, every sale that you make, you're going to be paid $100 straight. But with this one, every sale you make, you're going to have 33% of that sale every single month. So they have these two choices. It depends on you what you really want. If you want, you can go for the bounty program. If you want, you can go for the recurring program. So that's it, guys. These are the top recurring affiliate programs, and they're the best recurring affiliate programs right now in the industry. So if you're considering starting an affiliate marketing, or you're already in the business and you want some passive income, some recurring passive income that keeps continuously coming month after month, you want to consider these top recurring affiliate programs. So if you want to start affiliate marketing, you don't know how to get started, you want to make money online, you're new in this business, I've got a 100% free training for you guys. You can check the link in the description of this video, where you will attend this live training where I'll be showing you exactly how to set up an online business. Okay, and also all these tools that I mentioned in the video, the links are in the description of this video. You can go and check them out. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.